kailangan nyo po lang yung stop. Kasi nag-check balance nyo sa taas. Okay. So, left foot again. Tapos yung skip. Go. Yes. Sa ilong yung gawin. Very good. Keep holding. 5. Very good. 4. Tapos yung sa ilong. Very good. Open the back. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Release. Good job. Ano masakit na? Okay, stay on top. Left foot. Okay, go. Okay. Pasok mo yun. Pasok mo. Okay, good. Keep pulling. 5. Very good. Look at the windows. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And next one.
Yes.
Okay.
Hindi na doon na-finish. Thank you.
So, last. Legs together sa taas. Okay, here. Inhale. Right foot up. And then slowly go. Slowly up. Sa labas yung last foot. And then keep pulling. And release.
Ano ba, coach? Naka-arch talaga yung back nakaharap?
Nag-arch talaga siya kasi
Okay.
tataas mo yung head mo.
Okay.
Just to open the back. Okay, bring all the way up. Good job. Getting relaxed. Good. Hold together lang. Tigit mo lang siya sa foot. There you go. Hold. 5. Nice. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And release. Good job. Lower stop. Nice one. Tapos other side. Whoosh. And go all the way up. Pag medyo nahirap, itas mo pilit mo. Go pilis. All the way. More up. Good. Hold. 5. Keep putting yourself. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. That's it. Pwede na kayo magsabay.
Okay. Wait lang, sige.
Saan pakita mo na
Yung
sa
mga tayo.
paano mo sa ganun sa shake mo na, shake. I know it's hard. So 10 seconds lang. Sige, parang
Yeah, yeah.
mo na. Masakit talaga.
Pero hindi ka na mapahirap.
Sige lang. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, get ready now, 2, and 1. Alright, left side, sabay na kayo. Go, bali up. Liver stable up. Here, and go. Yes, keep pulling. Good. Big legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And release. Good job. Nice one. Woo! Good. So,
Hindi ka pa nakakahirap.
yes, right. Good job. Ganyan na. Isa pa.
Ay, may isa pa.
Okay. Kanina, yung ginawa yung split sa loob. Now, sa labas. So, kanina, yung knee inside the push bar. Now, yung knee towards the ceiling. So, right foot up, right? And then bring the leg in. Up, taas nyo. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tapos, straight legs lang. Okay. Yung pag straight yung legs, depende sa flexibility nyo. Rinig ko ganun.
So, nakaganito, coach?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Knee towards the ceiling. Kanina, knee down, di ba? Inside. And that's
Knee
it.
out. Okay.
Tapos, just keep pulling yourself. Ready? Right foot again. Right foot up. Yes. Bring the knee. There you go. Bend mo na. Bend mo na, ma'am. Yan. Keep pulling yourself. Taas pa, taas pa. Taas pa. Taas pa yung knee. Yan. Good. Point mo. Pull. Then pull. Taas pa din. No, not yet. Taas pa din. 5, 4, 3, 2, uy. Siya, ikit mo lang siya. Ikit mo lang siya. Naka-point yung toes. After the 5 seconds, saka mo siya
Nabababa.
ibababa.
Okay lang kita ka.
Sam. Prepare. Right foot. Go. Five. Continue sa windows. 4, 3, 2. Extend mo lang po. Extend, extend. Yes. There you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There you go. And release. All the way. Delete ang gas. All the way. Oh, ma'am, very good. Para sabay ulit kayo sa kabilang side.
Okay.
Sorry na.
Yeah, actually. Okay.
Good. Rest of that. Go on. Mia, 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 mia. Taas, taas. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and extend. Good. Lower. Good. Hold. Straight, straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And release. Good job.
Okay.
Sabay sila. Okay, other side. Last one. And we're done.
Grabe. Ready?
Parang si Carlos dito tayo.
Okay. Ready? Lips up. Let go. Taas mo yan hanggang arch mo.